Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class. Chapter is electrostatic potential and capacitance. And today's topic we have to find electric potential energy due to a group of point charge. In our previous video, I have discussed about the potential energy of a system when system consists only 2 point charge. But in this case, the system consists n charge. As you know, when we have to carry a charge from infinity to a point or one point to another point, we have to do work. This work due to electrostatic force, and this work save in a system as energy. This energy is known as electric potential energy. Consider n point charge Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are placed at infinity, and we have to carry this charge at point P1, P2, P3 and Pn. First of all, let Q1 charge placed at infinity, and we have to carry Q1 charge from infinity to point P1. The position vector of P1 is R1. Then there is no another charge. It means there is no electrostatic force against which we have to do work. It means work done is 0, because as you know, work done equal to force into displacement, or work done is equal to charge into potential difference in the form of electric potential. Work done equal to charge into potential, and potential depend upon the electric field intensity, electric force. It means when electric force is 0, then V is also 0. So Q into 0. It means W1 is 0. When we have to carry Q1 charge from infinity to point P1, the work done is 0. Now it is P1, position vector R1. Now we have to carry another charge Q2 from infinity to point P2. But in this case, there is a Q1 charge, and we have to do work done against electrostatic force applied by charge Q1, and due to this electrostatic force there is a potential V2 at point P2 due to charge Q1, and the value of V2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1. So we have to do work done W2, and W2 is equal to Q2 into V2 minus 0, because only Q1 charge is placed. So potential difference equal to the potential of charge P2, and the potential at point P1 is 0. So potential difference V2 minus 0. So W2 equal to the value of V2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R12. R12 distance between P1 and P2. So W2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. Okay, Joule is the unit of work done. Now P1 point, Q1 is placed at point P1, Q2 is placed at P2. Now we have to carry Q3 charge from infinity to point P3. So there is a potential V3 at point P3 due to charge Q1 and Q2. The value of V3 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R13 plus 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R23. It means V3 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught common Q1 R13 plus Q2 R23. And the work done to carry Q3 charge from infinity to point P3 is W3. W3 equal to Q3 into V3 minus 0. So W3 equal to Q3 and value of V3 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R13 plus 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R23. So W3 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 R13 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 upon R2 R3. It is the value of W3. Now Q1 charge placed at point P1, Q2 at P2, Q3 at P3, and now we have to carry Q4 charge from infinity to point P4. Okay, so there is a potential V4 at point P4 due to point charge Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, and the work done W4 to carry charge Q4 from infinity to point P4 against potential applied by Q1, Q2 and Q3. And the value of potential V4 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R1 4 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R2 4 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q3 R3 4. This is the value of potential at point V4. So it is equal to 4 into V4 minus 0. So W4 equal to Q4 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 R14 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q2 R2 4 plus 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q3 R3 4. Now the total work done W4 equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q4 R14 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q4 R2 4 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 Q4 upon R3 4. This is the work done to carry charge Q4 from infinity to point P4. So by using this method we can find the work done for other charges to carry from infinity to a respective point. So the total work done W is equal to the algebraic sum of work done. It means for each charges W equal to W1, W2, W3 and W4 and for Wn. So it means the value of W1 is 0 and the value of W2 1 upon Q1 Q2 R1 2. One upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 R1 2 and the value of W3 1 upon Q1 Q3 R1 R3 and Q2 Q3 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 R1 3 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 R2 3 and the value of W4 equal to Q1 Q4 Q4 Q3 Q4 R1 4 R2 4 R3 4 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 4 R1 4 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R2 4 Q4 Q4 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 Q4 R3 4. Okay, this is the value of work done and infinity to n, and this work done equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught common and Q1 Q2 R1 2 1 2 1 Q1 Q2 Q1 Q3 Q3 1 4 Q4 Q3 Q4 Q1 Q3 R1 3 plus Q1 Q4 upon R1 4 plus 1 2 3 plus Q2 Q3 R2 3 and Q2 Q4 upon R24 plus Q3 Q4 upon R3 R4 till n. These were done same as a potential energy in a system. So U equal to W equal to U. equal to summation 1/4 pi epsilon naught summation q upon r1 j k for all points. U is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught qj qk and the value of r j k for all points. It is the final formula to find potential energy of a system consist n charge. I hope you understood this formula. Now we have to try a numerical based on this formula. Okay. Numerical is that 4 equal charges are brought from infinity to the four corner of a square of each side A. What is the potential energy of the system of charges? As you know, formula is that potential energy of a system U1/4 pi epsilon naught summation for all pairs Qj, Qk, Rj, k. There is a square side A. 4 equal charges are brought from infinity to the four corner. It means Q, that it is point A, B, C and D. We have to carry 4 equal charges from infinity to point A, B, C and D, and then we have to find the potential energy of the system. As you know, formula is U equal to infinity all pairs 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q j Qk R j k. Okay. What is the potential energy of the system of charge? So U is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught summation Qj Qk upon Rj k. U equal to, let A is the starting point, and after that we have to carry point charge from infinity to point B, C and D. The system of 4 charge. It means the total charge Q1, it is Q1, Q2, it is Q1, it is Q2, it is Q3 and it is Q4. Then Q1, Q2 and distance is this R1, 2 for AB. For AC, Q1, Q3, R1, 3. This distance is R3. And for discharge, Q1, Q4 and R1, 4. For this point, work is complete. For this charge, this pair we can take already this pair. So this equal to Q2, Q3, R2, R3 plus for this point Q2, Q4, R2, 4. For this pair is complete. For this point, this pair and only this pair, because this pair we can take already this pair. For this point, this pair, and we take already this pair and this pair. Okay. So Q3, Q4 upon R3, R4. This is the total combination of charge. Now, as you know, all charges are equal. So by putting the value, we can find answer easily. U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, Q2, Q, and distance is A. R1, 2. The distance R1, 2, and R3 distance is, it is the hypotenuse of point A and this point and this point, and this is equal to AC square equal to A square plus A square. It means AC square equal to 2A square. So AC is equal to A root 2. The distance is A root 2. Okay. So Q square upon A square plus Q1, Q3, Q1, Q3, Q square, distance is only A. And now R1, R3 is A root 2. A root 2. For this Q1, Q4, Q square, distance is A. Q2, Q3, Q square and distance is A. Q2, Q4, Q2, Q4. This is Q2, this is Q4. Distance is A root 2. A root 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last is Q3, Q3 and Q4, because we take already this pair already and this pair already, so only this pair remain. Q square, A square. Now we have to solve this and we find answer. U equal to Q square common, 4 pi epsilon naught. A is also common, 1 upon A. Q square common, A common, 4 pi epsilon naught already common. So 1 Q square common, A common, 1 upon root 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Okay, so u equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a. 1 2 3 4, 4 plus 1 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. It means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a, 4 plus 2 upon root 2. Okay, u equal to 1 upon root q square upon a, 4 plus 2 upon root 2. It means u equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a, 4 plus 2 upon root 2. So u equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q square upon a, 4 plus 2 root 2. Because by root 2 we can write this root 2 into root 2 and 1 root 2 is cancelled by this. So this is the final answer in Joule. Okay, you have to do another numerical based on this topic. In my next video I will explain the remaining topic of this chapter. Thank you very much.